Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the third part of questions of chapter 3 synthetic fiber and plastic. Okay, till now we have discussed the theory portion of this chapter. In one portion, we discussed about synthetic fibers, its types, and in other part, we discussed about plastics, their characteristics and uses also. And in earlier two parts we discussed about the questions, MCQs, fill in the blanks, true false, matching type questions. Okay, and now we will discuss or continue from our next question, why we should not throw polybags in the water bodies or on the road. Okay, answer. We should not throw polybags in the water bodies or on the road because animals like cow, while eating garbage, waste food items, swallow the polythene bags and the food wrappers. The plastic materials chokes the respiratory system of these animals and form a lining in their stomach and may cause death of these animals. Got it? We should not throw polybags in water bodies because it can harm the life of aquatic animals, as well as on the road it can be a cause of death for the animals like cow and other animals who are moving here and there for their food. Okay, so avoid throwing polybags in water bodies as well as on the road also. Put them properly in a dustbin and try to recycle them, try to reuse them. Okay, let's move further. Now state some of the ways to reduce the use of plastic bags in our day-to-day life. Okay, let's discuss the various ways to reduce the use of plastic bags in our day-to-day life. Answer is avoid using of plastics as far as possible. जहाँ तक संभव हो सके, जहाँ तक पॉसिबल हो, प्लास्टिक को यूज़ करना बंद करने की कोशिश करें. Use bags made from cotton or jute while going for shopping. Got it? These are the while we move for shopping, we will not carry. We are not having a habit of carrying plastic bags with us. So we should start using cotton or jute bags whenever we are out for any shopping. Okay. Next, try to recycle plastic wastes by running them back to your grocery shop for recycling and by using them as garbage bags liners. Okay. Then next is we can urge plastic manufacturers to develop biodegradable plastic. Very right. This is the important point which can help us to reduce the use of plastics, as well as they can be biodegradable also if possible. We can also request our legislators to ban the plastic in children toys and food and beverage containers also. Okay, so plastic is very tough to avoid, but we should try. Okay, let's move to next question. What do you mean by 4R principle to develop environment friendly habits? 4R's principle to develop environment friendly habits are reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and I will add two more in this, refuse and rethink also. Then it will become 6R principle. Okay, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, rethink and refuse also. Okay, so let's move to next question. Now write a short notes on plastics and the environment. Plastic is a polymer like synthetic fiber. It is non-eco-friendly as it takes several years to decompose and it causes environmental pollution. When it burns, it releases lots of poisonous fumes and gases and harmful gases also into the atmosphere, causing air pollutions. Okay. So, plastic and environment are closely related to each other. If you will burn plastic, then it will affect environment. Okay. Next question. Explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic. Thermoplastic can be bent easily on heating and deformed easily on heating. Plastics, when molded once, cannot be softened by heating. Okay, they thermosetting. That means they got settled down only once. They can be settled down only once. We cannot do or change their shape again and again. Next example: polythene and PVC. Examples: bakelite and melamine. Third is used for manufacturing toys, combs, etc. Used for manufacturing electrical switches, floor tiles, as well as kitchenware also. Got it? So let's move to next question for discussion further. Okay, we can discuss something more in these questions also. Thermosetting plastic means they can be settled down again and again. They can be given desired shape on heating again and again. But reverse is the case with thermosetting plastic. They can be given only one time a desired shape. Otherwise, they cannot be given any of the shape. Next question. Okay. Neha want to buy a shirt for summer. Should she buy shirt made up from synthetic fiber or cotton fiber and why? Okay, very easy to answer. She should purchase cotton clothes for summer because very light fabric, easy to wear, airflow process is also good in cotton clothes, so it keeps body cool during the summer season. Okay, got it? So we should avoid synthetic fiber clothes during summer. We must prefer clothes made up of cotton fiber. Next question. Give some examples illustrating the fact that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Following examples show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Let's start the discussion. Part A. They are used to store chemicals in laboratory as they don't react with chemicals so or other items in the laboratory. Okay. Next is plastic does not decompose even when left in the open. Plastic does not decompose even when left in the open for long period of time. We all know this. Plastic do not react with air and water, so it dies, not get rusted. Got it? Plastic will never be rusted because it is a non-reactant with air and water. They are used to store all types of food as plastic does not react to materials stored in it. Okay, let's move to next questions. So we all know plastics are air resistant, water resistant. They do not react with both air and water and they do not react with chemicals. So they can be easily used and they are non-corrosive in nature. Okay, let's move to next question. Now, state the source of following fibers. Cotton, natural fiber we all know. Rayon, synthetic fiber. Nylon, another synthetic fiber. Sources are for cotton, plants are there for the source, as well as for rayon, wood pulp, and for nylon, coal, water, and air are the sources of nylon fiber. Got it? Okay, let's move further. Now, what is terylene? Terylene is an artificial textile fiber made from polyester. Got it? It is an artificial fiber made from polyester and is used to make light, crease resistant clothing, bed linen, and sails also. Got it? Okay. Next question. Why rayon is different from other synthetic fibers? Okay, rayon is the only synthetic fiber obtained from a natural source, that is wood pulp. That is why it is different from other fibers. Okay, although we got it from natural source wood pulp, but still it is prepared by some chemical processes. That's why it is called a synthetic or artificial synthetic fiber. Okay, it's not a natural fiber. Got it? Okay, clear this point? Let's move to next question now. What are the disadvantages of synthetic fibers? Okay, we will discuss some harmful effects of synthetic fibers in this particular question. So the answer is, following are the disadvantages of synthetic fiber. First is, synthetic fibers cannot absorb moisture. This makes them unsuitable to be worn during summer. Okay, because in summer when our body sweats, these fibers make body sticky and sometimes cause skin irritation also. Okay, so we cannot use them especially during summer season because it can cause irritation also, itching problem also to our skin. They are dangerous to be worn near fire or heat. Very important point to notice or to note down. They are dangerous to be worn near the fire or the heat as they easily catch fire and is unfit to be warm. Okay, unfit to be warm. Third, they cannot be easily ironed as they melt very easily. So avoid ironed the synthetic fibers. Very tough to handle them also. Okay, dear students, we discussed questions in this particular video also. So let's move further now. Thank you, my dear students. And tomorrow onwards, we will start the question answers of next chapter. So till then, bye bye, dear students. Take care. Goodbye.